Hey everybody. Hey, it's been a long time since I've given you one of these little video updates, and we've got a lot of stuff going on, and I wanted to update you on some of the activities around here, and especially I want to talk about strategy for 2018, and we got to focus on some strategy right now and some planning and execution and drive and making a lot of stuff happen right now in Q2 as well. So I want to come at you in a video here and talk about both of those things right now. So thank you in advance for listening and paying attention. I appreciate it. As we had talked about at the Enrich conference in January, which I thought was a pretty cool conference, by the way, we shared how the marketplace is going more and more towards the cloud and software as a service. And it's amazing how that shift is really continuing to take place. And we had that great hackathon where we talked about building solutions and application assembly and microservices and all those things and putting those apps together. And we're continuing to invest and push things along. And so I wanted to update you on our strategy and where we're going. So major things that are important to us. Integra Email Manager continues to be important to us in a lot of levels. Governance is important to us with IBM and with other customers that are partners as well. And also Box as a strategic partner and StamPlay and building out modernization, helping clients go with the ECM is dead and moving over to all SaaS content services platforms. So those are the three key things. And that's what we are pushing on right now. As you have noticed, Q1 was slow. Q2 is slow, much slower than I had hoped. But by focusing here in Q2, first and foremost on governance around the IBM stack, we are going to be able to drive more business and more engagement in the near term with some big opportunities. And so that's what we are doing first and foremost in Q2. And those governance solutions are around Stored IQ, of course, Stored IQ for legal, and the other complementary products. But we're also going to be adding Optum and Information Analyzer, those two products we've already been working with, and we do those with our partner SQ8. And then also Information Governance Catalog, and that's one we got to put some more learning into as well. And we may also partner for some additional deeper skills on Information Governance Catalog. That's governance around the IBM suite of products. There's also Nuix. So I think we've got about 3 opportunities with Nuix, including with H&R Block and a couple other companies as well. And we're also doing work with CapEx Global and Transvault, which fit into that governance category. And we may look at additional partners as we continue to try to diversify off of IBM to have a broader breadth of options. So not so many eggs in one basket. Additionally, on the services side, modernization. So we're doing that with Box, StamPlay, and there will be a few other complementary products in there as well. And in fact, we are scheduling and working on some live C-level marketing events, lunch and learns in Denver, 2 of those coming up in June. And by the way, going back to the governance, we have a number of events, several webinars from email management through governance with BBVA is April. And in May, we're talking auto classification. So we have a lot of governance webinars happening. And we also have some live lunch and learns in various cities across the country. So those are the big areas of emphasis right now in Q2. Probably putting about 70% of our effort on the governance side of things versus the modernization, because we need to give a big shot in the arm and boost up the some sales. We've got quite a few things in the pipeline. Most of those are around governance today. We got to get those things closed and in the door and get work and everybody up to their eyeballs with services to be delivered. So some things are coming there. Chris McHenry and the software development team are also doing a lot of great work around Integra Email Manager. I'm excited about that. Rolling out, get this, guys, auto classification with Smart Assist at DaVita, which will scale out to a lot of people, like 55,000 people. And we are already running our Smart Assist there on a smaller set of users. I think it's like 35 people, and using the legal approved knowledge base. and that will be scaling up as we go forward here. So there's some cool activities being done to make that a very scalable solution, make that a big success at DaVita, and great work being done there. And also at National Gypsum, good activity there. So lots of good stuff. So those are our focus areas really throughout 2018. You might be asking yourself about FileNet P8 and Case Manager and those products. We will be working with those products, but we will be not as proactively investing in the skills and the marketing around those, but we're going to continue to have a lot of work and upgrades and opportunities flow in the door as well. And I goofed. I didn't include DataCap, and DataCap actually is going to be included in the modernization because we believe there's a good play to leverage DataCap for scanning and capture because we need that on the cloud or on-prem, and a lot to be offered there. And that'll be featured in our Lunch and Learn in June as well on modernization. And gosh, we have lots of marketing events coming up. We have Houston ARMA, Denver ARMA, and David and I are speaking on machine learning auto classification for information governance in Chicago at the MER conference. We have another thing called the CIGO Summit, the Chief Information Governance Officer Summit. And we're also presenting to all of the Box account executives in next week, I think it is, on Thursday, and why they'd want to partner with Integra. And we're going to be promoting Integra Email Manager on Box, and us helping move ECM customers that maybe are disenchanted or not getting the real value out of ECM and moving those over to modern ECM. And all of those things we're going to be doing more and more with machine learning and artificial intelligence to enrich that content as well. So I meant to make this less than 5 minutes. It's now 7 minutes. I apologize for that, but hopefully that was a good use of time. Thank you very much. If you have questions, please reach out to your manager or me or whoever may be able to help you. And let's clarify any questions. If you have free time, if you're not up to your eyeballs at the moment, learn on governance and modernization. And thank you very much.